You're watching Photowalks TV. Chinatown in Japan? Yeah, there happen to be 3 of them, and this one in Kobe is the 2nd largest in the country. And if you're saying to yourself, why am I coming to Japan to go to Chinatown? Well, let's think about that for a minute. How about the electricity, the rich colors that make going to Chinatown so cool? Photographic paradise? And a feast. We are going to cue the tape. I have been running around town documenting Chinatown with multiple mobile phones. So let's photo walk it together and go check out Chinatown in Kobe, Japan. Kobe's Chinatown, known as Nakanmachi in Japanese, dates back to 1868 and the opening of the port, which brought in immigrants. However, it was destroyed in World War II, rebuilt, and then severely damaged again in the 1995 Kobe earthquake, and rebuilt once more. Today, it's one of the most thriving tourist locations in Kobe, attracting thousands on a busy weekend day, and the most popular items sold are the street food and the knickknacks. But photographically, how about all those wild colors, specifically the big splashes of red? Check it out. Here's your Chinatown photo tip, and it's a big one. When it rains, and it will, grab your mobile device and get busy. Best time of the day is at the end of the day, right as the day is turning into night, and the neon lights get turned on, and they are splashed across the streets because of the reflections and the water. And it's really magical. The front of the gate, when you walk in, it changes colors, so be sure to capture that as well. And if you can, have fun with the umbrellas, which I did. Luckily, we were staying next door at the hotel on the 12th floor, and I could look down. Oh, wow. Kobe's Chinatown is in the Kansai region of the country, which is about a half-hour away from Osaka, the 2nd largest city in Japan. Chinatown is really easy to get to. It's just a few blocks from the Motomachi subway stop and just up the way from the waterfront and American Park. A whole lot closer and easier to get to than that 10-hour flight from China. And now a quick word from our sponsor, SmugMug. If you're not up on SmugMug, 4 quick bullet points. Let's start with A, automatic backup. I'm here in Japan. I am shooting thousands of images on the mobile phone that are being backed up seamlessly to the SmugMug app on iOS and Android. I also back up all my images to SmugMug, serves as a virtual hard drive. B, sharing without big tech getting involved and lowering the resolution of your photos, as many of the companies do. C, showing your online portfolio. Whether you're an amateur or a pro, you would like to have your photo gallery looking really beautiful. I have my websites on SmugMug. All my galleries are there as well. And of course, D, for pros or would-be pros, selling your prints via SmugMug. Really easy to do. SmugMug has a free 2-week trial. Give them a try at smugmug.com. Beyond photos, I also have pro tips on eating street food. A, let it cool off before you take one giant stupid bite. It might be a little hot for you. And B, if you're ordering soup dumplings and you forgot your bib at home, well, eat it accordingly over the plate, because the odds are it's gonna squirt all over you. So be careful. So that's Chinatown. What do you think? Was it worth it? I sure think it was. Questions, concerns? Please leave them in the comments below. Please stay tuned for more of our Photowalks episodes. We've got plenty here from Japan and other places as well. I'll see everybody on the next Photowalk. I'm Jefferson Graham. Bye-bye.